What's up, people? Who is ready to be a professional? I mean, yeah, professional. Are you into TV production or any media sort of production? Do you want your news production to be professional? Then follow me. Please kindly subscribe to my channel for me and like this video. Next step, we need a chair and then a table. This is what I have. This is what I'm going to use. This chair and then this table. Okay, this is simple. Now, this is what I'm going to use for my table and then my chair. We need to clothe the table with a green screen material. I went to the market to buy it. It's just cheap. Now, camera position. Are you zooming your camera or you are moving your camera forward or you are changing the position of your camera? For me, I have to zoom to the position where I think it's the best for my TV production. Ideally, this kind of production is what we have been seeing on all the TV stations. Now, after all the zooming, after all the production, have you started recording? If you haven't, please start recording your newscaster. I am done with my recording. This is my footage. I am dragging this footage onto my editing software, which is Premiere Pro. Now, import your recorded footage onto the timeline of Premiere Pro. Now, my Premiere Pro frame settings is different from the recording that I did. So, I have to scale to frame size. Now, let's move on to the important part. How to chroma the background. Let's start. First, go to Effect. Search for Ultra Key. Well, for me, I think the Ultra Key is the best effect tool that can be used to chroma any green screen at all. This is my idea, oh. Please, don't come and fight me, oh. Now, drag the Ultra Key onto your file. As soon as you drop in the file, go to Effect Control. Can you see Ultra Key at the Effect Control? Now, select the Color Picker tool. Close to the color key. And now, identify the particular grain that you need to chrome out. Go to Matte Generation or Matte Cleanup to adjust all your settings to get a clean green screen clear out. Now, we are going to do another positioning. Select the recorded file again. Go to Effect Control. Select Motion. Adjust scale and position of your newscaster onto the screen. Now, we have to get a virtual table. Do you have one? Do you know how to create one? Don't worry, just contact me. Just send me a message. I'll create a nice virtual table for you. First of all, let's use this table. On the timeline, we need to move your recorded file up so that you can bring the virtual table under your file. Now, position your newscaster to fit the table and the screen. Voila! Look at how nice it looks. Now, let's move your recorded file and the table up to create another space in the timeline for your videos and your pictures and your background. Well, this is how it looks. So nice, so simple, and so quick, right? Well, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please give me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Elvis, my name is Mabenzi, and this is my second green screen lesson. Watch out for the third one. I love you.